Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Chandra Prasad and you are watching The Absolute Rider. If you are new to my channel, then please don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe and press the bell icon so that you don't miss any update whenever I upload a new video. So today is the day we are going to install frame sliders for our R15 V3. So this bike is modified with each and everything which the R15 V3 needs to be, except the frame sliders. So what happened is 2 days back we had parked our bike near a shopping mall, and shopping mall means outside a shopping mall. So what happened is some random auto guy was taking his vehicle reverse and he didn't see. So he hit the bike from that side and my bike fell down towards the right, and I was seriously so shocked that what happened to my bike and its fairing. But luckily nothing happened and I am so happy for that, and I will show you some of the small damages that I have caused. So the first thing is the handlebar got scratched, a small amount of scratch on the indicator. The main impact which was taken by the foot pegs, as you can see the shape itself is gone. As you can see it has got a bend and nothing can be done. We need to replace it, and the major scratch which has happened is over here. So the carbon fiber part on your silencer has got a scratch, and even this one, so that's actually manageable, and even here. So there are a light amount of scratches which has caused because of that fall. Nothing else happened. I was shocked that something would have happened to this fairing, but I am so happy nothing happened there. So I thought we have to install the frame slider right now. So today we are going to JC Road to install the frame sliders. Let me see what are the designs, and we even need to install the both indicators of backside. So that was the lowest and cheapest quality, so the indicators are broken, so we need to install that once again. So except that R15 doesn't need any modifications right now. As you can see the bike is already modified and it looks so beautiful. So let's go guys, let's go to JC Road. So please watch the video till end and keep subscribing me, and thank you guys. See you, take care. So guys, we are back from the installation. So the CNC frame sliders are installed. So as you can see the design is very simple, as you saw in the cinematic shots. So this is the very heavy material. You can feel it when you hold it in your hand. So this costed us around 1,700 rupees without installation, so installing fees will be different. So I really like this frame sliders. This is exactly 2 inches out from the fairing, so no need to worry about the fairing. So one more thing guys, frame sliders are only to save your fairings, nothing else. Even if you install any frame sliders, first thing which will be touching the ground is your foot pegs and your front indicators. So what I did is I changed the front indicators and I installed flush mount indicators, which is the aftermarket indicators. So actually it's looking nice. So now the first thing which will touch when the bike falls is the foot pegs, the rider's foot pegs. After that the mirrors and the indicators and those mirrors as well. At last the frame sliders will save your fairings. So frame sliders are only to save your fairings, nothing else guys. I am telling you now itself, make sure before you install any frame sliders. So don't think that frame sliders will save each and every part of your body, and if your body falls from the right side, then your silencer will also touch the ground and it might get some scratches as you saw in the starting of this video. So make sure you think and install the frame sliders. So this was the frame sliders. We even tested this frame sliders. It's actually 1 inch, the fairing is 1 inch above the ground. The frame sliders is saving the fairings of the bike. These indicators costed us around 350 rupees per set. So I will make you see how it looks like. So just see the brightness of this. It's on both the sides. One more special thing which we installed for this bike is this. This is the CNC indicators. This is made of metal. It's just 1 inch in length, as you can see. So it's very small and compact. I will show you the brightness of that. So you can see the brightness of this. So both the side blinks. So guys, this indicator will cost you around 200 to 250. It's actually cheap with better quality than the plastic ones. You might be seeing the plastic ones everywhere on R15 V3s in the YouTube as well. So you might have not seen this kind of indicator till now. So make sure you search for this and get it installed. If you are Bangalore, then you can easily get it installed in favorite bike shop, which is in JC Road. I will be putting the address in the description. So I really like from the side, as you can see, it blinks here as well. So guys, if you like this frame slider, then surely go for it. Seriously, I am telling you, this is the best product. Another one is there in CNC which will come 2 more inches long from this one. So you can even go for that, but it's a bit expensive side. You will be spending around 3,000 to 3,200 for that overall, with including the fitting charges. So I suggest you to go with this. That is very long, but I think there is no use. When you are in the traffic, you might feel uncomfortable to ride because it touches your knees. I even experienced with this, but it's totally fine. This one is short, and if you install a bit lengthy one, then you might be uncomfortable riding in the traffic because it might touch your leg or somebody else's leg or some car or something else. So make sure you install the better one. So that's it guys. If you like the indicators, then you can contact the person. I will be sharing you the number in the description. And if you like this video, please give a big thumbs up, like, share, comment, subscribe, and don't forget to press the bell icon guys. Thank you, take care, bye bye.